packing this order was such a tease. I wanted to jump in the shower and lather this baby up. Eucalyptus and lemon essential oil mixed is a win-win, okay? A 10 out of a 10. I love the smell. It's amazing. And what's even more amazing is the fact that it is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. It's relaxing. It leaves you feeling clean, smelling just like you in paradise. If you don't believe me, get you some eucalyptus and lemon essential oil and just take a good whiff of it. And you can actually smell this video. But before I gotta go, I want to say thank you to my customers that are supporting my business.